If you're looking to master your meal prep, buy in bulk, or simply stop playing Tetris with your kitchen freezer every time you bring home groceries, a 7.0 CU foot chest freezer is the ultimate game changer. It's the perfect size for most households, compact enough to tuck into a corner of an apartment or garage, yet spacious enough to store roughly 245 pounds of food. When you invest in a garage-ready model, you aren't just getting extra space. You're getting an appliance engineered to handle the demands of non-climate controlled environments. Here is why this specific freezer is the high-utility upgrade your home needs. Garage-ready resilience. Unlike standard indoor freezers, these models are rigorously tested to maintain consistent sub-zero temperatures, even when the outside environment reaches up to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether it's in your basement or a sweltering garage, your food stays perfectly frozen. Space-saving efficiency. With 7 cubic feet of capacity, you get a massive amount of storage without a massive footprint. It's the Goldilocks zone for families. Large enough to stock up on bulk proteins or frozen goods, but small enough to fit in tight spaces. Smart organization. Stop digging through a bottomless pit of frozen bags. The removable storage basket allows you to keep your most used items right at the top for instant access, while the interior layout lets you stack bulky items that would never fit in your main refrigerator. Maintenance made easy. Features like adjustable temperature control and an upfront defrost drain take the headache out of upkeep. You can easily adjust the settings to match your current storage needs, and when it's time to defrost, the drain makes the process quick, clean, and mess-free. Portability and quiet operation. Most 7.0 CU foot models include wheels or easy leveling legs, making them simple to position exactly where you need them. Plus, modern energy-efficient compressors ensure that your freezer runs quietly, so it won't become a noisy distraction in your home or workspace. This is the kind of appliance that pays for itself over time by allowing you to take advantage of bulk sales and reduce food waste. It's a simple, reliable, and incredibly effective way to increase your home's long-term storage capacity. If you are finally ready to stop worrying about freezer space and start stocking up with confidence, you can find the best price for 7.0 CU foot chest freezer by clicking the link below.